So I found this in a dumpster, an old chair bottom, and I'm gonna build this, and it's gonna be a stand to hang grinders on. I just bent that in my fine Harbor Freight bender. So I'm gonna weld this up together and we'll show you a little bit how it turns out. Well, I've painted the top part now. This is my grinder stand for my hand grinders. I built this top. It's just 1 1/8 inch flat iron, 3/16 or less. It's pretty light, something I had laying around. Found a piece of tube that another tube went over top of, one bolt in it, holds it on there, and it's just a pipe found that fits in the bottom of an old chair. So I'm going to put my grinders on it now and show you what it looks like fully loaded. Well, now I've loaded it up. I have 7 hand grinders with wire brush and flap discs and grinding and cut off wheels and what have you. So you could get 8 on here, and I've even tried you can stick a couple in the middle if you had to also. So by having it like this, you know, I could just roll it around the shop if I'm working over here, wherever. Makes a nice little stand. Push it off in the corner when you're not using it. And didn't take much to weld it together. It's all scrap things that were thrown away. And I just repurposed them, welded it up. A fun little project. Thanks for watching.